morning children. So once again coming back to the real numbers chapter for the 9th class students. So here today we are going to find the first problem, finding the rational numbers between 3 and 4. So here there are two numbers 3 and 4. These both are rational numbers. 3 can be written as 3 by 1, 4 can be written as 4 by 1 by using the mean method. Finding the rational numbers between 3 and 4 by mean method. So finding the two rational numbers here. So it is not written finding the two rational numbers. Finding the two rational numbers between 3 and 4. Integers are 3 and 4, but there is no integer between 3 and 4. But there exists infinite number of rational numbers between 3 and 4. There exists infinite number of rational numbers between 3 and 4. That is called property of density. But there is no integer. There is no integer between 3 and 4. But there exists infinite number of rational numbers between 3 and 4. That is called property of density. Property of density. So how to find the rational numbers between the two given numbers? So we are going to find the two rational numbers between 3 and 4. So by using mean method to find the rational numbers between two given numbers, there is a formula. If A and B are given numbers, if A and B are given two rational numbers, then the rational number between A and B is equal to A plus B by 2. If A and B are given two rational numbers, then the rational number between A and B is equal to A plus B by 2 formula. A is considered as 3 and B is considered as 4. A is considered as 3 and B is considered as 4. So to find the rational number between A 3 and 4 or A and B, the formula is A plus B by 2. This is called the mean method. So let us find two rational numbers between 3 and 4. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. So now A plus B by 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So this is one number, that is 3. Between 3 and 4 there is a number 3 less than 7 by 2 less than again 4. So if we divide here 7 by 2 we get 3.5. So if we divide 7 by 2 we get 3.5. 2, 3, 6, 7 minus 6, 1 and 0 and 0 here, 2, 5 is 10. So we get 3.5. Between 3 and 4, 3.5. 3.5 is a rational number. This 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. So 5 7 is 5 2. So 7 by 2 we get. So 7 by 2 is the number. So here this is the rational number by using the mean method. By using the mean method, A plus B by 2. So here we got one number. They asked two numbers. Now we have to consider A as 3 and B as 7 by 2. A as 3 and B as 7 by 2. So now A plus B by 2 is equal to 3 plus 7 by 2. 3 plus 7 by 2. That is equal to. So A is considered as 3, B is considered as 7 by 2. Or we can find rational number between 7 by 2 and 4. If 7 by 2 is A, B is equal to 4. Then we have to write between these two numbers. Now we have taken A as 3, B as 7 by 2. Now whatever we get, we have to write between 3 and 7 by 2. So here 3 plus 7 by 2. This is A 3, B 7 by 2 whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. So here 2 3 is 6. 2 3 6, 6 plus 7 13. So 13 by 2 whole divided by 2. So 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 by 2 whole divided by 2. 2 to multiply is because both are denominator. Here we get what here 13 by 4. So now the two rational numbers between 3 and 7 by 2, what we got? 3 less than 13 by 4 less than, next number is 7 by 2 less than 4. If we divide 4 to 3 13, 4 divides 13, 4 3 is 12, 3 minus 2 1 and 0, 4 2 is 8, 2 0 4 5 is 20. So 3.25. So this value is 3, 3.25, 3.5 and 4. So these are this value is 3.25 and this value is 3.5. These are the two numbers between the rational numbers 3 and 4. So therefore the two rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 13 by 4 and 7 by 2. In this way we can find infinite rational numbers between 3 and 4 by using the mean method A plus B by 2. So once again I say to find by the mean method we consider the given two numbers, one as A, one as B. To find by mean method the formula is A plus B by 2. So plus 4 by 2, 7 by 2. Between 3 and 4, 7 by 2 is one rational number. Again to find, they ask two rational numbers. To find one more rational number, let us take A as 3 and B as 7 by 2. Suppose, or otherwise we can take A as 7 by 2 and B as 4. If we consider 3 as A and 7 by 2 as B, then we have to write the answer between these two numbers. That's why A as 3, B as 7 by 2. So A plus B by 2 again. A is 3 plus B is 7 by 2. 2 into 3, 6 plus 7, 13 by 2. All divided by 2 is equal to 13 by 4. So between 3 and 7 by 2 there is a number 13 by 4 rational number. So 3 is the given number. Between 3 and 7 by 2, 13 by 4. Next 7 by 2 and next 4. So between, they ask two rational numbers between 3 and 4. That's why we got 13 by 4 and 7 by 2 are the two rational numbers between 3 and 4. Suppose if they ask one more rational number, again we consider A as 3, B as 13 by 4. Between these two numbers we can write, then we get three numbers. Or we can take A as 13 by 4 and B as 7 by 2. The answer can be written as between these two numbers. Or you can take A as 7 by 2 and B as 4. That answer can be written between 7 by 2 and 4. In this way we can find infinite rational numbers between 3 and 4. This is by mean method. This is by mean method. Pause. Okay, now same problem, finding the two rational numbers between 3 and 4. In the previous method we learned by mean method, and this is by alternate method. This is the alternate method. You can solve by any one of the method. Either you can follow mean method or alternate method. If they ask particularly in exam, by mean method you have to follow mean method by taking A as 3 and B as 4, A plus B by 2, mean method. And this is another method, alternate method. If they did not mention any method, then you can follow any one of the method. Otherwise, if they particularly mention mean method, you have to follow the mean method. And this is another way. If they did not mention, you can follow this method also. Finding the two rational numbers between 3 and 4. So in this method, they ask two rational numbers. They ask here two rational numbers. So they ask here two rational numbers. For these two, we have to add 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Take the given number as 3 and there is no denominator, write it as 1. And again, another number is 4. There is no denominator, write it as 1. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. And 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. And here they ask two rational numbers. No? For that, we have to add 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now, these three we have to equate to both the denominators. Just like this. 3 by 1 is equal to, the denominator is 3 because 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And again 4 by 1 is equal to, and the denominator is equal to 3. So here again I will repeat here, they ask two rational numbers. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Keep it as is. The given number A is equal to 3. The given number 3 and the given two numbers are 3 and 4. 3 is written as 3 by 1 and 4 is written as 4 by 1. Because there is no denominator for 3 and 4, we can write as 3 by 1 is nothing but 3, 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. So 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Now we got 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. We have to make the given number, the denominator 1 should be equated to 3. And here also the denominator we have to equate it to 3. To equate to 3, to get the equivalent or equivalent rational number, then 1 how many times 3? 1 3 is 3. So the same 3 is multiplied to the numerator also. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 by 3. If you simplify 3 1 3 3, so 3 by 1 only 8 or 3 will get. Again here 1 how many times 3? 1 3 is 3. And the same 3 is multiplied to the numerator also. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So now we got 3 by 1 or 3 as 3 by 1 or 9 by 3. And another number is here 12 by 3. So we simplified 3 as 9 by 3. 3 1 3 3 is again you get the same number. And again we simplified 4 as 12 by 3 1s 3 4s. So here 9 by 3 and 12 by 3. When the denominators are same, then you can verify between 9 and 3. What are the differences? What are how many numbers we get between 9 and 12? 9 of what's at 9 of what's at 10, 10 of what's 11. So here now we can write 9 by 3 less than 9 of what's 10, 10 by 3 less than, again 10 of what's what here 11, 11 by 3 less than here, and the given number is what 12 by 3. So between 9 by 3 and 12 by 3, 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. 12 by 3 is nothing but 4. So the two rational numbers between 3 and 4. Therefore the two rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 10 by 3 less than 11 by 3 less than 4. 9 by 3 means nothing but 3 and 12 by 3 is nothing but 4. So between two rational numbers 3 and 4 there exists 10 by 3 and 11 by 3. So there are these two of the rational numbers between 3 and 4. In the mean method we got different rational numbers. Answer But already I said there exist infinite rational numbers between 3 and 4. That is called the property of density. If you divide 10 by 3, you get 3.3 and so on, and 11 by 3 also 3.3 and so on. Let us check. If we get out, we can check. 3 divides 10. 3 3 is 9. 1.3 again. 3 3 is 9. It continues 3 3 3 and so on. Let us divide here. 11 by 3. Let us divide 11 by 11 by 3. So 3 3 is 9. 11 minus 2. 7 minus 9, 2. Here 0. 3 6 18. Again 2 3 6 18. So we get here 10 by 3 is nothing but 3.333 and so on, and 11 by 3 is nothing but 3.66 and so on. Therefore, these are the two rational numbers that exist between 3 and 4. This is the alternate method. First one is mean method, and this is the alternate method.